Most people open Claude like a fancy Google search. That's a Ferrari at 10 kilometers per hour. Here are 16 hacks that change everything. Hack 1 hat, memory import. Still on ChatGPT? Migrate in under 2 minutes. Your preferences, your history pike, all of it transfers straight into Claude. Hack 2 toe, model selector. 3 power levels, haiku for speed, sonnet for daily tasks, opus for deep complex thinking. Pick the right one for the right job. Hack 3 to Gmail connector. Find emails, summarize threads, draft replies too, all inside Claude. Stop touching your inbox manually. Let Claude search it for you. Hack 4, calendar connector. Schedule blocks, find free time, yes. But the real move? Give it your goals. Analyze your calendar. Now Claude is your business coach. Hack 5, artifacts. Working apps built right inside the chat. Spreadsheets, dashboards, interactive tools. Just say, build me this. You are the developer. Always were. Hack 6 Tay, interactive visuals, my personal favorite. Stay inside the chat. Just say visualize this. Claude builds live clickable visuals that accelerate learning instantly. Hack 7 Projects, a folder preloaded with all your context, documents, transcripts, instructions. Invite your team. Get the same sharp result every single time. Hack 8 Mo, voice mode. You talk 3 times faster than you type. Click the waveform. Talk. Claude transcribes everything. Use it while driving. Nothing gets lost. The 9th life hack is a Chrome extension. It's a must-have. Install it today. Claude takes screenshots, parses pages, clicks buttons, and finds patterns. Hack 10 Tat, co-work. Claude takes over your computer. Pull sales from HubSpot, build the sheet, create the chart, post to Slack. You step away, you come back, it is done. Hack 11, scheduled tasks. Type/schedule inside co-work. Every morning Claude reads your inbox, flags urgent items, briefs you on the world. Set it once, done forever. The 12th hack is Claude Dispatch. Scan the QR code at work. Install the app, now control your computer from anywhere. You don't need to be nearby.
The 13th hack is Claude Code, an AI software developer who puts it simply. I stopped the entire company for 2 days to teach everyone this.
The 14th hack is Claude's channels. Code from iMessage, Telegram, or Discord. Your computer runs the program, you send a message, Claude's code is executed. Teach Claude to repeat any task flawlessly every time. For example, turn it into a skill. Or install thousands of resources hosted on GitHub. Hack 16 Pied, Claude Design. Presentations, landing pages, animated graphics, all based on your description. One complete set of tools. You won't need them all today. Pick one. Use it. You're already one step ahead of 99% of the people watching this right now. Skill 1, prompt engineering. $50 to $100 an hour. Most people type one sentence and wonder why AI gives them garbage back. Want my complete playlist on AI systems for companies? For every department. The exact structure I use daily. Skill 1, prompt engineering. $50 to $100 an hour. Most people type one sentence and wonder why AI gives them garbage back. AI is the only technology ever created that teaches you how to use it better. Just start. Ask Claude how to use Claude. It will teach you everything else you need. 3 days with Claude Code. The result? A fully functional control panel for the CEO, running on the TV in his office. Anyone can do it. Leave a comment and share which life hack you use first. And click here to learn about the best AI tools for making money. 2 steps. Do both right now. You were driving a Ferrari at 10 kilometers per hour. Not anymore. Go to Claude AI. Pick one hack. Now drive it.